If you
Yeah.
told me that, I didn't prepare for you.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. How you guys do know? You guys already know her. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, yeah. You guys already know her. So this morning we're going to take some coffee. Yeah, off from work. So we just want to have some coffee together. You know, the kids gone to school, so we just want to have coffee together, have some mom time. You know, how you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. If you're new, you're welcome to my channel. Yeah, my name is Dorothy, a YouTuber mom based in Netherlands. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you so much. So let's go to have some coffee this morning. It's breezy, it's cold. Yeah, as you can see, we are twinning our cup, twinning together.
Yeah.
We just have to have some coffee, guys. We're gonna talk to you guys later. Bye. Yeah. Yeah, they don't. I think he has not put this. Listen. Yeah, so let's just take some cappuccino. Which one is our? What's that? Food.
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
Yeah. They're in.
Okay, chocolate cake. I don't think he has to bring it out. Yeah? Ah, spicy latte. Yeah. I don't know if this one is chocolate.
Is this the carrots?
This carrot cake.
No.
Yeah? Okay, you want the yeah. So
Lemon?
lemon.
And half apple.
Then there's one apple. Yeah. I think you go with this.
Yeah.
Okay, just give us one of this. Yeah, and then 2 cappuccino.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 cappuccino.
And
This she's just doing.
Where?
She's just making me.
Yeah. Yeah. Finish.
We're gonna take the second round, and I'm gonna pay for that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, we take the second round, so I'm gonna pay for that. Yeah, very nice. The cake is lovely. It's so nice, eh?
Yeah.
Take a bite and you see. Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Wow. But the latte is weird.
Yeah, the latte is very nice. Very nice.
I ate latte in another place.
Yeah?
But here really expensive.
Yeah.
This one is in near the H&M. Yeah, and it's about.
It's a big bar.
No, it's bought in the river on the Zan. Here, it's the Hubby restaurant. Yeah, you see this restaurant?
No.
It's bought.
Ah, yeah, it's like a boat or something. Yeah. I think they normally do that maybe the summertime,
Yeah,
not the period of cold. So,
yeah. But I ate something there.
Here, not good.
No. The quality not good.
Yeah. it's nice. This nice.
Yeah. It's fresh.
Yeah, this carrot cake, it's very nice. I really like it. You know,
Yeah.
I really like it. And the coffee, it's good.
Really.
I think this one is, guys, we took cappuccino and I took carrot cake and my friend took chocolate cake, and she said
No. The carrot is better.
that the carrot is better than the chocolate cake. She refused to eat the chocolate cake. Look at it, guys.
Yeah.
But the carrot cake is really, really nice. Really nice. Very nice. Yeah, one thing I like about them, it's not expensive. Yeah, because the carrot cake is just like 3 euros. Yeah, it's 3 euros.
It's 8 euros.
Yeah, everything we're eating now, it's 8 euros, which is very nice.
Very nice. Really
Yeah,
nice.
cup of cappuccino, and the carrot cake is big.
Yeah.
We can't even finish it. So,
Maybe some people like it.
yeah.
Not good.
No, yeah, no. Some the kids might like it. Yeah, you can take it home. Yeah, Ava might like it, so we take it home because it's big, guys. The cake is very nice. It's a very good match with the coffee, the cappuccino, not coffee cappuccino.
Oh, beautiful art.
Yeah. The coffee it tastes good.
Yeah.
And it's, I think the cream it's very nice. The cream on the coffee it's nice, guys. So yeah, we just have to do some mother catch up and things. The kids are off to school. Just want to relax. We're off work. Yeah, we just want to relax, have some coffee.
One coffee without you.
Yes, take some coffee with our kids, you know, have some mother outing and yeah, guys. I'm really enjoying the coffee, the cappuccino. I'm really enjoying it this morning. Very good. I really love it. 8 euros. We took 2 cappuccino, 1 chocolate cake, 1 carrot cake, and we paid €8.50 for everything, which is a very good price. We normally come here, yeah. This is not our first time, right? No, this is not our first time. We do come here, but this is our first time of taking this carrot cake anyway. We normally take croissant, but this carrot cake, this is our first time of taking it, and it's really good. Very good. The chocolate cake is also our first time of taking it because we do come here, but we've not taken the chocolate cake and the carrot cake. We do take croissant, but today we just wanted to try something new, which is very, very good. Very good. 100%.
We ordered that normal coffee.
Yeah, we ordered the normal cafe the other time. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, I think that one we took. I think it was macchiato we took that time. Yeah, the other time we came, we took macchiato, and today with this cappuccino. Yeah, and cappuccino, the macchiato, it's really good.
Yeah. I ate the normal coffee.
Yeah. If we can't finish it, we take it home. That's the dream. We take it to the kids because just to take something this morning, we don't want to take something heavy. Just want to have some coffee, talk about life. Yeah, 5 days time it's our anniversary. My friend's anniversary, 14 years. Kudos to her. Yeah, mine is 10 years. This month October, it's going to be 10 years anniversary for us.
24 hours later.
kálọ̀ káwọn èèyàn pàtàkì bí ọ̀làbọ̀dé ọmọ òyedèpọ̀. ẹ̀sìn mi ra amẹ́ríkà o kálọ̀ káwọn èèyàn pàtàkì bí ọ̀làbọ̀dé ọmọ òyedèpọ̀. Bọ̀dédiwé ọmọ àró ayé ọmọ àró ọ̀run ọmọ àró àkàkò àwo ìmùlẹ̀. ọmọ àrò ayé ọmọ àrò ọ̀run ọmọ àrò àkàkò àwọn ìmùlẹ̀. akàpọ̀ láti máa bá kò ó sì fi àmọ́ kẹ́dẹ́ bàbá tọmọ méjì bàbá sì lówó bàbá tàbí ọlá mi bàbá ọlá nìyó bàbá gbọ́jú bọ́lá mi bàbá.
Hi guys, so I and Hubby just came to IKEA to come and get some things for the for my house. I want to buy some fittings in our living room. We want to change some things in our living room. So we decided to come and pick it up from IKEA. So we're in IKEA now, as you can see. Just to pick them up. We've already ordered them. It's just to pick them up. Okay, I'll carry you guys along.
Ochongonoko achoramema ayo ibogorobada achoramema ayo ichawe nije na nkema ayo ijele ndi kwanya putagegu ayo aseke ndi kwanya putagegu ayo kerizo ndora na panitegu ayo
Say, man, invite making sure no massa yada. And I shot them the sabat on the man a gala. A hand, yeah, man. Malona Baza, yes, was on a pass. I'm a just Malona Lata. I'm a happy faculty. Yemi Kukambale. I'm on the one Antony. Namata Macanchale. That's Macana. I want Jane. I see you know the one for me. I'm a little Mambale. You're one of the family.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so I and Hubby, we're in the breakfast section in IKEA. Like I said, we came to IKEA to get some fittings for our house. We want to get some, we want to change the curtains, the curtain rods and other things for our house. So we just want to take breakfast first before we go to get the things. So Hubby went to get some coffee. Yeah, so this is what we got. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. This is what we got. Everything is 3 years, which is very nice. Very, very nice. So I and Hubby want to get some breakfast before we head to the section of where we're going to pick our things. So I'm waiting for Hubby right now because he went to get some coffee. Yeah, we got 2 cups of coffee, but the other one we don't understand. There was no milk and things like that. So it was Hubby that pressed that clicked the machine. I don't know what he did. So I'm going to have some pancakes and some croissant. Yeah, so sweet, very, very sweet. Waiting for Hubby. We dig in this breakfast. Very lovely. We're just in IKEA. I want to get some chef and other things. Anyway, if it's not ready, we pick the ones that are ready and then we go. So that's how my day is like. I just want you guys to come along with me. I'm going to carry you guys along as we get things for my house, change the curtains, put a new rail and things like that. So stay tuned. When we finish taking the breakfast, guys, I'm going to show you where we're going to pick the cutting rods and other things. But if I'm not able to show you guys, I'm going to give you a little bit of because right now we don't even know the section where we're going to pick it. But when we finish the breakfast, we're going to ask the section where we can do the pick-up, because it's an order. We've already made the order and they told us to come and pick it up by 11. So we are here. We came before 11. So we want to have breakfast first before we go to pick up the things we order for. So right now it's a bit cloudy, so I don't know. When we get to the section where we're going to pick the things, I'm going to carry you guys along, so stay tuned. Yeah, let's do the shopping together. All right, guys. Yeah. This is the white. Yeah, this one is also nice for the dining. Or we can just put two. Yeah, maybe like this one and this one, or mix this and this. Yeah, this one is also nice. Yeah, this is the carpet I'm talking about. See. Something like this. Or something like this.
It's the same thing. This one is still swell up.
I think I've not really seen the flat one. Yeah, this frame. Okay, we just finished. Picked our order. Going home now. I am not be going home. Yeah, Yeah, I could not show you everything because the security there is too much. You are not allowed to make a video for other people, you know. So that's it, guys. Just manage this clip. There was not a lot of I could not show everything, you know, due to the security reasons. So but the little, guys, you guys should just take it. But we are going now. I and Hubby going back home, going to fix the things. Yeah, the curtains. We've arrived home, so we just picked the cutting rod and rail. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Yeah, that's Hubby. Yeah, so catch you guys in my next one. Bye.